Hi, welcome back to All Things Home Care with Dana Arnone. It's time for Ask Dana. Finding the right home care agency is one of the most important decisions that you'll make for you or your loved one. Before you make that decision, consider interviewing multiple agencies. Interviews are one of the best ways to get to know who you're hiring. You'll want a caregiver that is transparent, educated, licensed, skilled, and caring. To help make an informed decision, consider asking the following questions as it relates to compliance. This is an evolving and ongoing process that helps prevent fraud, waste, and abuse. Compliance with the state, federal, and accreditation guidelines, rules, and regulations is imperative. Here are a few of the questions on compliance to consider. Ask if they're licensed by Department of Health. That would imply that they follow the rules and regulations that the Department of Health has set forth, meaning they're audited every 3 years, they are compliant with their HR department, they're compliant with their payroll and billing, and they're compliant with the coordination services. Are your caregivers bonded and insured through your agency? That's actually a very good question. If the agency is licensed through Department of Health, you should feel confident and secure that those workers that are entering into your home are covered by the agency's insurances, including liability, disability, and workers' comp. What are your privacy practices? Most agencies that are licensed through Department of Health, or just as a standard of practice, would follow HIPAA rules and regulations, which would mean that we do not disclose personal or private or health information about our clients or the aides. If you have specific questions as far as privacy practices, most agencies will leave you that HIPAA rule and regulation in your home upon the start of care that the nurse goes over with the families. So yes, you'll get a copy of them and you'll be able to refer back to those privacy practices at any time. Well, these are all the questions that we have for today. Please send me any questions that you may have at info@allthingshomecare.org.